Dear students, hope you are fine. This is the exercise of our lesson number 9, Karate Parrot. This is workbook activity. We have done the books activities of our lesson. In this lesson, in these activities, we will be exploring different tenses. We will explore past tense, present and future as well. They said that can you complete the following tables, and before that let's talk about it. This example, for example, in simple tense, to walk will be in past, we will write it as he walked. Then in present it will become he walks, and in future he will walk, right? We will change helping verb according to the tense. We will change verb form according to the tense. In continuous tense, it will change as he was walking in past, and in present it will be changed as he is walking, and in future he will be walking. Got it? Similarly, in perfect tenses, yani present perfect tense or past perfect tense or future perfect tense, in past perfect tense it will be he had walked, third form of verb with helping verb had, and in present perfect it will be as he has walked, and in future he will have walked. Understood? Similarly, we are going to complete the next tables, and the word are to work. So if it will be in simple past, it will be he worked. In present, he works, and in future, he will work. In continuous tense, we will write it as he was working. He was working, and in present, we will write he is working, and in future, he will be working. Yani, first form of verb with ing plus helping verb was, and in present helping verb is, and in future helping verb is will be. Then we will talk about perfect tense. So we will write it he had worked, third form of verb plus helping verb had. Then in present we will be using helping verb has plus third form of verb he has worked, and in future the helping verb will be will have and plus third form of verb he will have worked. Understood? What we are doing here, we are changing the verb forms plus helping verbs according to tenses needs. Now the next word is to swim. In simple past we will be using it as he swam, the second form of verb. And in present we will write it as he swims. Why we are adding s with swim? Because of first person singular. Future, he will swim. And when we are talking about continuous tenses, we will be writing it he was swimming. First form of verb with ing plus helping verb was. And when we will be talking about present, we will write he is swimming, right? And in future we will be writing he will be swimming. And when we are talking about perfect tense, we will write he had swum. He had swum. And in present he has swum. And in future he will have swum. Swum is the third form of verb. Remember, every time in perfect tenses we will be using third form of verb. Every time in continuous tenses we will be using first form of verb with ing. And in simple past we use second form of verb. In simple present we use first form of verb. Understood? The second exercise, they said, can you say in which tense these sentences are written? The man has worked hard. As I have told you that you will mention which form of verb it is using here. It is third form of verb, worked. And what is the helping verb? It is has. So has worked, it means that this is the present perfect tense. Second is she plays tennis. Where is the verb in this sentence? Plays. And play, can you see she plays tennis is letting us know that this is something related to the routine work of somebody. So this is our simple present. C is the tiger had eaten the deer. Where is the verb of this sentence? Eaten. And eaten is the third form of eat. And what is the helping verb? It is had. So had, as we have done in these examples, that had is the helping verb of past and eaten is the third form. So this is past perfect tense. Fourth is he will be walking to the park. What is the verb in this sentence? Walking. As I have told you that first form of verb with ing is always continuous and will be is showing that this is future continuous tense. And the last is the cat is sitting near the window. What is the verb in this sentence? Sitting. And sitting is what? First form of verb with ing, showing that this is the continuous tense, and is indicating that helping verb of present. So this is present continuous tense. I hope you have understood the concepts of tenses. You can listen it again and again so that you can confirm your beliefs about tenses. How can we recognize about tenses? Through its verbs forms and through its helping verbs.